Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do another 2-minute tech tips and reviews. I wanted to talk about aligning this cover. When I got this 2006 Z06 in for a cam swap, the whole front of the engine was covered in motor oil and grime and grease. The whole other side of the car is covered in oil. And the main thing is it was leaking. This thing only has 30,000 miles on it. You can still see some of the grease and stuff kind of packed up in there. Only 30,000 miles on this engine, and when I took it apart, the timing cover seal was leaking terribly. So there's a company out there that makes these tools. It's called the Align It tool by SacCityCorvette. They sell them right there on their website. This is the Pro Series tool. They also make one for the rear main seal, because that's the same system. Different tool though, so you need both tools. And this simply is designed to fit the crank. It's a precision fit. It's machined. And what that is going to do is when that slides over the crank, it also pops into this here. There's a little O-ring, so it's a nice smooth fit. You could push this in there. You want to put a little oil or grease or something like that. And forgive me, I'm doing this one-handed, but again, I guess let's show you how easy this tool is. So I can install this perfectly aligned with one hand, huh? So get that cover slid on there, put this tool on. Let's see if I could do it one-handed. Boom. So that perfectly centers that cover onto the crank. Perfectly centers it. So all you have to do, put your bolts in, tighten this down, then you put your two bottom bolts in, snug those down, pull this out, then you also use it to install the seal. So once you pull this out, the seal is going to need to be put back in, so you set the seal there, slide this back over the crank. Again, it's going to perfectly center it, so it's going to push that seal in perfectly without damaging it. A few taps with a like rubber mallet and knock it into place. So that really is how simple this thing is. I really recommend purchasing one of these from SacCityCorvette. I think they were around $50 for the Pro Series tool. And they also have a kind of more of a one-time use plastic one, and they are a bit cheaper. So if you're going to do it one time, maybe the plastic tool will be good for you. If you're going to do it multiple times, I do a lot of these motors. I went with the Pro Series. It's a hard anodized aluminum, so it's not going to scuff, scratch, and it's going to keep its tolerance better with all your aluminum covers. So I hope you guys enjoy this little tech tip and review. Please like, share, comment, and I'll put a link down to the website where I purchased these tools. Thank you.